Hi, I'm Dave and this is the Digital Immigrant. In today's episode, we're going to show you how you upload your first video to YouTube. In previous episodes, we've looked at how you set up a YouTube channel and how you add your channel art to make your channel look fantastic. And in today's episode, we're going to show you how you upload your first video to YouTube. So let's jump over to the computer and let's upload a video onto YouTube. So in the previous videos, we were looking at how you actually set up your YouTube channel and then how you put your channel art on your page as well, so it's all looking fabulous. And that's the stage we're at now. So the next thing we want to do is to upload a video to YouTube to actually get this journey started. So what we're going to do, so for now we're going to assume that you already have a video you want to upload to YouTube, you've got it stored on your computer somewhere. Try and remember where it is, because otherwise you're going to be dancing around trying to find it. But if you know where your video is stored, that's going to help a lot. So I know where my video is stored. Hopefully. Let's jump on and let's have a look. We're on our YouTube page and we've got this little arrow with a line underneath it, and if we hover over it says upload. Wonder what that means. Should we click it? Okay, and that takes us to this page, and this page here is where we can upload our files. Now you can bring in your window and drag and drop the file across, but I'm just going to show you how you do it when you just upload it. Click on the arrow there. This will open up your dialog box and it will give you a chance to find the video you're looking for, and there's the one I'm looking for. Okay, so that's the file I'm going to upload, which is how to start a YouTube channel. So we click open. And now what's happening is you can see by this progress bar that it's starting to upload the video. It says here in the title, how to start a YouTube video. That's quite a good tip actually, is name your file what you want the title of your video to be. You can change this, but by having the file name the same as what your title name is going to be, it's going to help YouTube find your video more relatable. It's going to make your video easier to find in searches, because it's now got two things to it. It's got the actual video's title plus the title that you put on YouTube. So that's the first part. Below this we've got a box that says description. Now in here what you want to do is put a description of what your video is about. Now there are certain things you can do to help your video here. Now the title of this video is how to start a YouTube channel. It's fairly good. It's what someone's going to search for if they're looking to start a YouTube channel. But there's other phrases that they might use. So what I'm going to do in the beginning of my description is put another one of those phrases. I'm going to put starting a YouTube channel. So now you'll see what I've done is I've actually got what people might be searching for twice. It's in fact, actually we got it 3 times, because the original file is called how to start a YouTube channel. The title that we have here is how to start a YouTube channel. And now the first line of our description says starting a YouTube channel. So let's just type in a description. Okay, so there we go. I've put in a description. Now what I've done with this description is make it quite obvious. And I've also added in what's called keywords. So words that describe what the video is actually about. I'll read it to you now. It says starting a YouTube channel. That's another thing that people might search for. The first line is then setting up a YouTube channel, which is another thing someone might search for. So you see what I'm doing? I'm putting a lot of phrases into the description that would help this video to be found. So if someone types in how to start a YouTube channel, this video should show somewhere in the search. If someone types in starting a YouTube channel, this video should also show up in the search. If someone says setting up a YouTube channel, it should also show up in the search. So all the things I've done within the description here is to help this video to be found. Anyway, so that's the first part. We've done a description. And in the time it's taken us to do that, it's actually uploaded the video and processed it. So because this isn't a very long video, it's happened quite quickly. The longer your video is, the bigger the file size, the longer it will take to upload. It's also going to depend on your broadband speed. So we're quite lucky here. We've got fast broadband, but that's that stage. Next underneath is tags, and this is another chance to start putting things into your video that will help it be found when people are searching for what they're looking for. So what we do here is we put in words and phrases that people might search for. So think like somebody else. Don't think like yourself, because you know what your video is about and you know what you want people to find it as. But if you're thinking like somebody else, think of someone sitting onto Google. They want to find out what the subject of your video is all about. What are they typing in? What are they looking for that brings them to your video? So we've got starting a YouTube channel. Hit enter. There's our first tag. And now all I'm going to do is go through and run a load of phrases and loads of words like that that relate to this video. Okay, so they're all done. I've put in a bunch of tags. Now, this isn't the be-all and end-all. You can always come back and edit this later if you find new phrases. A really good way to do this is go onto Google, type in the title of your video, how to start a YouTube channel, an example, and you'll get a drop-down of a bunch of different choices that people search for when they're looking for that phrase. Pick those phrases, put them in your tags. So pick those phrases out that Google have suggested, and put them in your tags, because that's what people are looking for. It's showing you what the majority of people search for when they're looking for this, whatever your topic is. So pick those phrases, put them in your tags. So for now, I'm going to leave the tags like that. You've got a couple of options here. Add to playlist. I haven't set up any playlists yet. We haven't got enough videos, but when you do, you could assign it to a playlist. We'll talk about that later on. The last thing I'm going to do for this video before I publish it is we have an option here. So video thumbnails. And what YouTube's going to do is going to pick 3 frames from your video that you could upload to be your thumbnail. So we've got one of me looking abysmal there, one screenshot of the video, and then one that's actually showing the logo. Now, if I wanted to, I would, of those 3, I would pick the one of the logo. But what I'm going to do is upload what's called a custom thumbnail. If this isn't showing on your channel, it means that you haven't verified your channel so far. We'll look at this in another episode, and we'll talk about custom thumbnails, how you make them, how you upload them, and the best way to do it. But for now, I'm going to upload what's called a custom thumbnail. So my thumbnail is something I've made off of YouTube. I'm going to bring into YouTube, and that's going to be the thumbnail for this video. So I'm going to click custom thumbnail, and now I need to navigate to where I keep my custom thumbnails. And here we go. This is the thumbnail I've created for this video. As I said, we'll look at another episode where I'll show you how I make my thumbnails and things you can do to create custom thumbnails. So I'm going to click that, and that's going to show us our custom thumbnail, which is going to go along with this video. So I'm going to click open, and you can see now a little uploading symbol, and there we go. It's given us our custom thumbnail, which will be used when the video is presented on YouTube. And you can see at the top now, it's now changed that that's the thumbnail it's going to use. So we've got one more thing to do, and that's to actually publish this video. Now, for me, I've published a lot of videos, so this isn't a big step. But I do remember when I first started on YouTube, clicking that publish button. It was quite a big step. Yeah, it was that thing of I'm about to put something I've made out for people to see. It was almost like, have you ever posted an important letter? And you're about to put it in the post box, and something makes you not let go of the letter. You just sort of like, shall I post it? Shall I not? I understand that feeling, but post it. The worst that happens is you don't like it and you delete it. But I'd say take that step, take a leap of faith, shall we say. So let's take a leap of faith and click the publish button. We're there. Everything being right, we have now published our video to YouTube. Let's go to our channel. And there we go. The second video on the Digital Immigrant channel is up. It's really easy. Posting a video on YouTube is really simple. All the bits beforehand are the hard bit, the making the video, creating the thumbnail and getting all that together before you actually do this stage. That's the hard work. This is your payoff. This is where you actually get to publish a video and put it up on YouTube. So let's have a quick look. We'll click channel.
Hi, I'm Dave, and this is the Digital Immigrant. And in today's episode, we're going to show you how you can start your own YouTube channel.
Pause that. There we go. Our video's up. We did it. So nice and simple. Uploading a video to YouTube is the easy part. Creating the video and all that side of it, that's where the work takes place. So there we go. That's a video up, published, ready to go. So have a look. For now, I'm Dave. This is the Digital Immigrant. See you next time.